what more you can do with this site, what more you can add in this. So there is so many new things which you can, like for example, you can add LMS, learning management system. You can add some other kind of plugins which are useful to you. So I will show you that today. So what I will do, I'll go to my account and let me see whether I'm logged in. So I think I'm not logged in. So what I will do, I'll first log in as admin. I can log in at the admin page also. I can log in here also. There is no problem. You can log in anywhere. Now I'm already logged in as a admin. So now this again, this black bar is, top bar is coming because this is meant for us.
Okay.
Now you go to the dashboard. I will show you that there is few important plugins which are automatically created by the by this house design, that is simply natural, and which is the WooCommerce, very, very important. So you have to understand how this WooCommerce works. So that learning has to be there: orders, coupons, customers, report, setting. All this thing has to be learned, and then you can create products here. You can see here, all the products are here, WooCommerce products, which you can edit and change. It can be your courses also. You can put your amount in rupees also. You can change the currency also. It is in pound. You can change the currency here, and you can see that there are different products which you can change, right? Okay. And if there is some similar product, you can duplicate also, and then you can add it. So this is the WooCommerce. So I will tell you one very important another plugin which you can add, and that has to be added. If you go to the plugin section here, you will see all this plugin has been put by the automatics page building system which we saw that Astra did. So it has created already created a lot of plugins. So we'll add one more plugin which is not added by Astra, and that is the Tutor LMS. So we'll add Tutor LMS.
Tutor LMS.
Now, why am I adding Tutor LMS? Because in my website, I want to sell courses.
Okay.
So if I want to sell courses, I need this plugin, Tutor LMS. You can have other LMS also, like LearnDash, LearnPress, but my favorite is Tutor LMS. You can see
I
here.
think this is Tutor LMS is 5-star.
It's 5-star also, and there are 10,000 plus active installation. Right now, majority of them are free of cost, but out of this 10,000 plus, there are many which at some point has become paid also. So once your courses start selling, your business start happening, you can go for the paid version also, because it has got some extra feature in paid version. You can create certificate for your students. You can have multi-instructor for a course, more than one instructor in a course, and few additional features are there in paid one. But good thing about Tutor LMS is, in this case, is that in Tutor LMS, the free version has major functionality, including it is compatible with WooCommerce, which is very important, because to sell the course, you will need WooCommerce, and your LMS should be compatible and integratable with WooCommerce. In other LMS, if you want to integrate your LMS with WooCommerce, you have to buy the paid version only. This is the only LMS which is free of cost, which is in the free version also you can integrate with your WooCommerce. So your selling will happen with WooCommerce, but study will happen with Tutor LMS. This is the advantage. So what we'll do, we'll install this. So in today's session, we will finish this session after this installing LMS, Tutor LMS. So rest of the thing we will take up in the next session. So I'm installing the Tutor LMS. So in this Tutor LMS, again, similar, there are two steps. One is to install and second is to activate. Because unless you activate, it will not work. So once you install the plugin, then you have to activate the plugin. Now, when we activate, it takes you to the Tutor LMS site, but we need not go there. So we can remove that one. And after we have installed the plugin, it will again ask you to enter into the admin panel, because without this, it will not become active. So as you can see here, it is asking to log in again. Why? Because otherwise it will not become active. There are many plugins which do not require login again, but LMS requires, because it's a very major plugin. So it requires. Okay. So now let us see whether our plugins are already installed or not. Yes, you can see here Tutor LMS is already there and it is already active, right? So in your dashboard, you can see Tutor LMS is already there, and you can create courses, you can create categories. You may have different categories of the courses. You can have students detail here, question answer with the students, quiz attempts. You can add on, you can have settings, tools. So this complete LMS, you can see here, it is there, right? So for example, if you go to the courses, you can go to the courses and you can create a new course. I can create a new course where I can add the new name, some name I can give of the course, like blockchain. I can give blockchain. I can give this name. So I can write something, blockchain course, which is a beginner course, right? So what I will do, you can see here maximum student, when I put 0, it is unlimited. Difficulty level is intermediate. I can put expert also. I can start. I can put beginner also. And I can write something about the blockchain course. Blockchain course is an IT course. So I can write something about it, right? And you can, if you are an author, because you are an admin, suppose you are a teacher already, registered as a teacher, you can register here as a teacher, your name will come. And you can change this admin with your name also. You can do that as an instructor. And in this course builder, you will see, I will just tell you that how you can build the course. And you can put, suppose it's a 15-hour course, you put 15 hours. And you can put a video of the introduction video of the course. So I can put some video here. So I can take some address from YouTube where my video is there. I can put video there, course video. And okay, so I have created a course now. So this course is created already. You can see this. So when you go to the courses, I will show you that your course is created. And you can view the course also. When you view the course, you'll see that this, okay, your video is here, video will come here. It is telling blockchain course, duration, how many people are enrolled, last date, update, everything it is showing. About the course, description of the course, who is the instructor, everything. How many readings are there, right? All those things you can see here. So you can see this course and you can edit the course again. So you can put your lessons here in this course, add topic. So you can add a new topic. When you add a new topic, blockchain history, suppose blockchain history, I can create a topic. So I can create chapters here and then I can put lessons. So in the history, I can add lesson. In lesson, we can put your videos also. You can see here, you can select YouTube video and you can put your video URL here. So this is the way you can create your courses if you want to sell your courses. So today what I have done, I have just shown you that how you can build your house here like this. And again, you can go back to your website and you can see your website is already fully functional website, which you can modify later. You can put your logo, you can change the text, you can completely, you can create a new global business. You can create website, which you can sell your services
From where we get the courses in website?
In the website, I will tell you that to go to the courses, what is required is you can see here home, store, about us, contact us, my account. So it is always better to put another button here. We will put later, which will be named as course archives. So when you go there, all the courses will be there. So I will show you how to put that. Otherwise, you can go to your my account, and in my account, you go.
Yes.
And in my account, you go to your orders. So when you will go to the orders, your courses will come. So you can click there also. So whatever the course you have bought, you can go from here also. There is no problem. But it is always better to have a course archive page, which I will show you how you can add pages here. Or you can put a course archive page in the footer also. It is not necessary that you put upside. You can put here also, whatever you want. You can put here student registration also. You can put your faculty registration also. You can put many different pages here, which you can put, right? So it is like this. Okay. So today my idea was in this session was just to show you that how easily using Astra theme, which is the foundation for a house, your store, e-commerce store, you can create a completely functional site like this in very short time. And later on, you can redesign your website. And one good thing about this is that this website is compatible with mobile also. So for example, if you go to this address on your mobile, you will see everything is compatible with mobile. So it is already created in such a way that it is mobile friendly website.
Mobile friendly.
Yes. So you can check also. Now if you go to your on this address gbtralliance.com /admin/ you put just this one gbtralliance.com /admin and then /.
Just I am browsing
gbtralliance.com /admin and then /. That's all. Or you can just put admin also. You need not put another /. So you will see this website will come. And it is absolutely mobile friendly.
It is fully mobile friendly.
Yes. And later on, with this site, with the little efforts, you can create a mobile app also. It is not difficult.
Okay.
Same site will be converted into a mobile app also. So today,
in my
So in my today's session objective was just to show you how you can build this kind of site. And later on in the next session, I will tell you how to change the design of this website and how to make it, to customize this website.
How to customize as per our requirement.
As per our requirement. So that I will tell you in the next session.